Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready. Open the document and confirm your Google account is active so suggestions sync. First, set the document language under File so checks match your spelling rules. Once language is set, open Tools, then Spelling and Grammar to launch the checker. Google will highlight errors in red and grammar in blue. This immediate start saves time and avoids rework. Make sure you're online so suggestions are current and that auto-suggestions are allowed in your browser settings. Now work through the suggestions. Click any highlighted word to reveal options and pick Accept to replace it, or Ignore when it's intentional. If a term is correct for your doc, add to dictionary to avoid future flags. For grammar notes, open the detailed review to see explanations so you learn the rule. Fixing a grammar issue improves clarity immediately. Once done with one pass, rerun the checker because edits can create new flagged items or change context. Finish by running spelling and grammar one last time to catch any remaining issues before sharing. Then export or share with confidence. If checks fail to appear, make sure document language matches your text, that Tools spelling and grammar is enabled, and that your browser allows site scripts. If problems persist, reload the page, clear cache, or temporarily disable extensions that block scripts. That single troubleshooting step usually restores the checker quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.